Hello friends, welcome to NCERT Help. In this video we will discuss question number 4th from exercise 16.2 of class 11th probability. First of all, let us read the question. Three coins are tossed. Then first of all we have to make the sample space when three coins are tossed. Let us make its sample space. Three coins are tossed and its sample space will be H H H H H T H T H T H H H T T T H T T T H and T T T. There are total of 8 outcomes when 3 coins are tossed. Now A denote the event of 3 heads show. There is an event A which says 3 head शो. जहाँ पे 3 हेड शो होते हैं, ए इवेंट हमें कंसिडर करना है. तो ए इवेंट आपका क्या है यहाँ पर 3 हेड शो, तो इसके फेवर में आएगा एच एच एच. नाउ बी इज द इवेंट विच डिनोट 2 head and 1 tail, which denote 2 head and 1 tail. Order doesn't matter. So B event says 2 heads and 1 tail. तो favorable outcome of B will be 2 heads and 1 tail. So this one and this one, these three are the favorable outcome for event B. So we will write HHT, HTH and THH. Now C denote the event 3 tails show. C event says 3 tails show. The outcome where all the coins shows tails. So there must be 3 tails. So in favor of C, there is only one outcome, T, T, T. Now D denote the event a head show on the first coin. First coin must have head. So on the first coin, it should be head. So the favorable outcome in the event D says a head show हो रहा हो on the first coin. There must be head on the first coin. So favorable outcome of event D will be C in the sample space. There must be head on the first coin. Then this one HHH, HHT, this one HTH and HTT. So there are total of 4 outcomes in which first coin shows head. So we will write in event D HHH, HHT, HTH and HTT. These are the 4 outcomes on which where first coin shows head. These are the favorable outcome of event D. Now we have described all the 4 events which are asked in the question. Now which events are mutually exclusive? By the definition of mutually exclusive, 2 events A and B are said to be mutually exclusive if their intersection is phi, if they do not have any common outcome. So let us see whether A and B is mutually exclusive or not. Yes, if we see A and B, there is not any common outcome. For the first part, we have to write mutually exclusive. तो इसमें फर्स्ट आंसर आपका हो गया ए एंड बी बोथ आर म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव। और देखिए क्या हो सकता है, ए एंड सी इज ऑल्सो म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव, दे डू नॉट हैव एनी कॉमन आउटकम। सो आंसर इट्स बी, A and C is also mutually exclusive because they do not have common. If you want to write the reason, because A intersection B is equal to 5, and because A intersection C is equal to 5, therefore A and C are also mutually exclusive. Now see whether A and D, no, it has common outcome A HHH and D HHH, so A and D cannot be mutually exclusive. Now see B and D, no, it is not mutually exclusive. Let's C and D, yes, C and D do not have any common outcome, so C and D also mutually exclusive. B and C also mutually exclusive, B and C do not have any common outcome, so we will write B and C are also mutually exclusive because B intersection C is equal to also 5, and fourth pair C and D are also mutually exclusive pair because C intersection D is also equal to 5. Now this is the answer of first part where we have to find the mutually exclusive pairs. For second, simple event, second is simple. Find the events out of A, B, C, D, which one is simple. So simple event is that which contain only one outcome of the sample space. That event is called simple event. Okay, then simple event, let us see which one is simple. Now see, A event has only one outcome of the sample space and C event also have only one outcome of the sample space. If there is an event which contain only one of the outcome of the sample space, then it is known as simple event. So answer of second part is events A and C are simple events. Now answer of part third, compound event. The event which have more than one outcome of the sample space is called compound event. So here event B have 3 outcomes, event D have 4 outcomes, then B and D are compound events. We will write this is the solution of question number 4 of exercise 6.2. I hope you understand the solution. Please like our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.